Hello, my name is Kelly Joana Panejo Rengifo. That's for Let's Talk. What is the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? The weirdest food is ever ate toasted and or makes culanas tostadas in Bucaramanga is a typical meal. We are the best thing that have happening to you on a trip. Mention two. When I traveled to Cali, I've been to the zoo and meet wild animals. It was great. Sharing with family are the best memories. What has a shaped place you visit in your city? The shaped place in my city is Monson Founder House. The entrance principal is minimal and is a contribution to the conservation of the place that keeps colonial architecture. What are the most busy places or tourist attraction in your city? The most attraction place is the Plaza Bolivar, the donut wheel, with a lake that's been around for many years and the deal's disturbing story. Two brothers fell in love and anger their mother and terrible event occurring. Have you ever been backpacker? What is your opinion about this traveling style? I have not been a backpacker. I like it, but I am not capable of doing it. It is a fun activity, but for risky people. Thank you.